విద్యానామ నరస్వరూపమధికం ప్రచ్ఛన్నగుప్తం ధనం విద్యా భోగకరీ యశస్సుభకరీ విద్యా గురూణాం విద్యా బంధుజనే విదేశగమనే విద్యాపరం లోచనం విద్యా రాజసి పూజ్యతే నహి ధనం విద్యా విహీనం పశుం విద్యానామ నరస్వరూపమధికం ప్రచ్ఛన్నగుప్తం ధనం విద్యా భోగకరీ యశస్సుభకరీ విద్యా గురూణాం విద్యా బంధుజనే విదేశగమనే విద్యాపరం లోచనం విద్యా రాజసి పూజ్యతే నహి ధనం విద్యా విహీనం పశుం విద్యా భోగకరీ విద్యానామ
Sai Ram. To show who is a true devotee, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba would often narrate a Chinna Katha, a small story. The story goes that Lord Krishna and his best friend Arjuna were out for a walk in the garden. Looking up at the sky, Lord Krishna says, Look, Arjuna, there is a bird. I think it's a dove. And Arjuna replies, Yes, my lord, it is indeed a dove. Then Krishna says, No, I think that it's actually an eagle. Yes, my lord, I am sorry, it is an eagle. No, Arjuna, now that I look at it, I am sure that it's a crow. Oh, I am so sorry, my lord. What you say is indeed right. It is a crow. Now Lord Krishna turns to Arjuna, smiles and says, Oh Arjuna, don't you have eyes of your own? What are you simply agreeing to whatever I am saying? Arjuna replies, Lord, more than in my own eyes, I have faith in your words. Swami would say, that is the quality of a true devotee. Whenever I heard this story, I would think, Swami, what is so great about what Arjuna said and did? If I were to take a walk with you and you point to the sky and tell me, Arvind, this is an eagle, I will agree with you. And then you say, no, Arvind, it's a parrot, I will agree with you. Life is a great teacher. And in collaboration with Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba, life taught me what it is to be a true devotee. Let me take you back to the year 2006 to Bhagwan's residence at Bangalore, Trai Brindavan. A Trai session was in progress. A Trai session is an intimate, interactive interview between Bhagwan and his students and teachers. Swami came to this story of Krishna and Arjuna. However, that day there was to be a twist in the tale. Swami said that Krishna looked up at the sky and said, Arjuna, look, there is a bird. I think it's a lion. I froze. Swami, a lion? You vary the birds. Eagle, peacock, crow, dove. That's alright, but a lion? A lion doesn't fly. But Swami simply continued with the story. And he said, Arjuna said, yes, my lord, it's a lion. And then Krishna looked at the sky and said, no, Arjuna, I think it's a horse. Now I was feeling very uncomfortable. How can you make a lion and a horse fly? Stick to the birds, Swami, stick to the birds. Swami smiled and then he said that Krishna told Arjuna, no, Arjuna, I think it's an eagle. And he returned to the birds. I was relieved. The story was over, the discourse got over, the Trai session was complete and we all returned back to the hostel. It was only much later that it struck me how conditional my faith is. I am ready to accept whatever Swami says as long as he sticks to the birds. Being a theoretical or a platform devotee is easy. But being a practical devotee requires us to have faith in his words all the time. And I decided that the next time I get this opportunity, let Swami tell even a dragon or a dinosaur is flying in the sky, I will nod and agree because I have learnt my lesson. Bhagwan, the loving Lord that he is, always gives many chances, and sure enough I got another opportunity, another chance at this Arjuna moment. This next episode happened in the year 2009 when we got the opportunity to accompany Swami to Hadshi, where he inaugurated the Panduranga Kshetra. On the final day of our stay at Hadshi, Swami gave a beautiful opportunity to show him some of the photographs that had been taken. Thus, all of us students were seated around him and we were viewing the photographs on a large TV screen. I was simply lost in the joy and bliss of that occasion of interaction with Bhagwan. In the slideshow, one photo came up, a beautiful photograph of the orange rising sun behind Swami's Hadshi Mandir. When that photo came up, Swami exclaimed, "The moon is so beautiful." Immediately I corrected him, "No Swami, this is sunrise. It is the morning sun." Swami then said, "No, it is all dark all around. It is the moon." I didn't give up. I said, "See Swami, it is orange. It is the sun." You know, on one hand we sing, "Chand aur suraj tumne banaye." Oh Lord, you made the sun and the moon. And here I was telling the creator that this is not what you're thinking. The right answer is that it is the sun. Swami looked at me and said, Okay, if you say so. Once again, it was only years later that it entered my thick skull that I had messed up another Arjuna moment. I had been so prepared for dragons and dinosaurs flying in the sky that when the circumstances, situation, and the story changed, I was once again found wanting. I think of myself as a Sai devotee, but today I realize that it is not up to me to proclaim that I am a devotee. In this context, Swami would narrate a Chinna Katha, a small story about how Narada, the celestial wandering sage, goes to Lord Narayana and asks, Lord, who is your greatest devotee? He is sure that the Lord will crown him as the crest jewel, the greatest among all his devotees. But to his shock, Lord Narayana says that there is a farmer on earth who is his greatest devotee. Narada is intrigued, and so he visits this farmer to see what is it that he is doing that makes him the greatest devotee of the Lord. Now, as soon as this farmer wakes up in the morning, he thinks of the Lord and prays to him. But after that, he is totally lost in his worldly, mundane activities. Once more, just before his lunch, this farmer prays to God. After that, again he is lost in his mundane activities. Finally, before going to bed at night, he thinks of God and prays to him for one last time. Only 3 times in the whole day. Narada wonders how could a person like this be the greatest devotee of God. He goes back to Lord Narayana to lodge a protest along with his reports and findings. Instead of acknowledging that, Narayana tells him that I have a little task for you, Narada. Can you do it for me? Narada agrees. Giving him a small pot of oil, Lord Narayana says, Narada, this vessel is to the brim with oil. Can you please go around the 3 worlds for my sake without dropping even a single drop of this oil? Narada agrees, and he sets out on this task set by the Lord himself. He successfully completes it, comes back to the Lord and expects appreciation from him. Instead, Narayana asks him, Tell me, Narada, how many times did you think of me during your journey? Narada shamefacedly confesses that he did not think of the Lord even once. But then he says, Lord, I was doing your work. I was carrying the burden of that oil vessel on the top of my head. Isn't that enough? Smilingly, Narayana says, Dear Narada, that farmer is carrying far more valuable burdens on his head of worldly duties and responsibilities. And yet, he is able to think of me 3 times in a day. Isn't he the greatest devotee? The Lord's standards of judging are so different from our own. And that is why, in order to know whether I am a true Sai devotee or not, it is best that I turn to Swami's own words. Swami had actually written a letter in which he had mentioned who a true Sai devotee is. This letter was first published in the October 1964 issue of the Sanatana Sarathi, and it makes everything so clear.
Satyanveshana, the search for truth, ought to be the Nitya Kritya of Sai Bhaktas, their daily activity. Prema ought to be their Swabhava, their very nature. Bhava Shuddhi, purity of feeling, is more important for them than Bahya Adambara, external finery. Be convinced that the Vishwa is the Vishweshwara Swarupa itself. Look upon every object as suffused with divinity, as divine itself, for that is the truth. It is not through their words or their songs that persons are judged as Sai Bhaktas. Deeds must be good and correct. That makes the Sai Bhakta. That gives joy to Sai. Give up show, finery and exhibitionism. Let your eyes be as soft and cool as moonlight, heart as soft as butter, words as sweet as honey. These should be the real characteristics of the Sai Bhakta. Sai's reality is Samartha Prema. Sai Drishti is Samanjasa Prema. Those who are saturated with these 2 types of Prema are the true Sai Bhaktas. Instead, if you cavil at others, If you hold forth your own pride and if you struggle to gather riches, you become exiles from the Lord and stray away from the spiritual path. The Lord does not care for objects. He cares for the subjective wealth of prema. Sai Bhaktas must have full conviction of this.
Let us pray with all love, humility and gratitude that we become true Sai devotees as per Swami's definition. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाचेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम ओम शांति शांति शांति। पुरुषस्य विद्मः सहस्राक्षस्य महादेवस्य धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे चक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो नन्दी प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे सुवर्णपाक्षाय धीमहि तन्नो गरुडः प्रचोदयात्। वेदात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्। वज्रनकाय विद्महे तीक्ष्णदंष्ट्राय धीमहि तन्नो नरसिंहः प्रचोदयात्। भास्कराय विद्महे महायुतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्य प्रचोदयात्। वैश्वानराय विद्महे लालीलाय धीमहि तन्नो अग्नि प्रचोदयात्। कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मेधा देवी जुषमाना न आगात् विश्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुस्तानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदते सुवीरा। त्वया जुस्ता ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुत त्वया जुस्तश्चित् पुत्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व द्रविणो न मेदे मेदाम इन्द्रो ददातु मेदां देवी सरस्वती मेदामे अश्विनपुबावा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः देवी मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रदीका जुषन्तां मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः नीलादेवी गुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये गृह्णाहि घृतवती सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वतिरन्तिरासानो अस्तु ध्रुवादृशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषाना सहसोया मनोतान् बृहस्पतिर्मातरि सोतवायुः सन्दुवानावाता अभिनो गृह्णतु विस्तम्भो दिवो दरुणपृथिव्या अशेषाना जगतो विष्णुपत्नी ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महीमहेशाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
विश्वाधारा विनायका विश्वाधारा विनायका 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 सिद्धि विनायक भवभयनाशा सिद्धि विनायक भवभयनाशा सुरमुनिवन्दित श्री गणेशा सुरमुनिवन्दित श्री गणेशा विश्वाधारा विनायका विश्वाधारा विनायका 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 विश्वाधारा विनायका विश्वाधारा विनायका विनायका सिद्धि विनायक भवभयनाशा सुरमुनिवन्दित श्री गणेशा विश्वाधारा विनायका विश्वाधारा विनायका 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 जय मां दया करो साई मां जय जय दया करो साई मुक्ति प्रदायिनी प्रेम प्रदायिनी शांति प्रदायिनी जननी जगजननी साई जननी मां जननी जगजननी साई दया करो साई मां जय मां कृपा करो साई जय दया करो साई बुद्धि प्रदायिनी प्रेम प्रदायिनी शांति प्रदायिनी जननी मां जननी जगजननी साई दया करो साई जय कृपा करो साई जय दया करो साई वाहिनी सरस्वती माँ वाहिनी सरस्वती माता जगत पालिनी गौरी माता अम्ब भवानी लक्ष्मी माता लक्ष्मी माता लक्ष्मी माता लक्ष्मी माता अम्ब भवानी लक्ष्मी माता साई माता जगत जननी साई माता जगत जननी गोविंद कृष्ण विठला वेणु गोपाल कृष्ण विठला गोविंद कृष्ण विठला वेणु गोपाल कृष्ण विठला पांडुरंग विठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठला पांडुरंग विठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठला
Hare
नारायणा भजरे हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे श्याम सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई नारायण श्याम सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई नारायण गोपालना गोपी गोपालना गोपी गोपालना भजरे नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे श्याम सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई नारायण गोपालना गोपी गोपालना गोपी गोपालना भजरे नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा हरि नारायणा भजरे पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय रखुमाई विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला पुरंदर विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला पुरंदर विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला जय रघुमाई विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला जय रघुमाई विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साईराम शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साईराम शिव महेश्वरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा साईराम शिव महेश्वरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा साईराम कैलासवासा महादेवा कैलासवासा महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा त्रिभुवन पल बाबा साई देवा त्रिभुवन पल बाबा साई देवा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साईराम शिव महेश्वरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा साईराम कैलासवासा महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा त्रिभुवन पल भव साई देवा तेरा विठल ये मां पाही सर्व मंगल मां पाही सर्व मंगल मां पाही देवी लक्ष्मी मां पाही दीन दया करी मां पाही तेरा विठल ये मां पाही सर्व मंगल मां पाही जय 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 जगदम्बे जय 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 माताम्बे माताम्बे जय 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 जगदम्बे जय 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 माताम्बे 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 देवी लक्ष्मी मां पाही जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला सर्वोदारा साई नंदलाला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला मधुराधिपते कृष्ण गोपाला मधुराधिपते कृष्ण गोपाला मधुर मधुर हे गान विनोदा मधुर मधुर हे गान विनोदा जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला मधुराधिपते कृष्ण गोपाला मधुर मधुर हे गान विनोदा जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला साई नंदलाला जय जय गोपाला 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 जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ॐ नमः शिवाय झूठ जटा में गंगा धारी झूठ जटा में गंगा धारी त्रिशूल धारी भमरू बजावे त्रिशूल धारी भमरू बजावे गम 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 घम घमरू बजा गम घम 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 घमरू बजा दूतुता ॐ नमः शिवाय दूतुता ॐ नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सबने बोलो ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ॐ नमः शिवाय झूठ जटा में गंगा धारी त्रिशूल धारी झमरू बजावे गम नम नम घम नमरू बजा दूतुता ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय हरि ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो बोलो सब मिल बोलो ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ शांति 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 ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्
धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. There is only one thing I seek from all of you. Fill your hearts with love. Offer that love to me. I don't ask anything from anyone. It is enough if you develop love and share it with others. It is only when you are happy that you can make others happy. What is happiness? It is union with God. By chanting the name of God, you will experience happiness. Good and sacred acts like worship, japa, and meditation are useful for sanctifying time, but they are not ends in themselves. They are tinged with worldliness. But what is needed is positive action dedicated to the divine. Then you will be free from disease. Only by having pure thoughts can you be hale and hearty. Have no ill will toward anyone. I have no hatred for anyone. Hence, no one hates me. All are love-filled beings for me. I desire that all of you should be blissful. Jai Sai Ram. Now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वर। ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदार्णव। ॐ जय जगदीश हरे समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।